In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Jotform. We're going to walk through how to add a payment option to an appointment request form in Jotform so you can accept booking fees, deposits, or full payments right on your form. Keep your browser ready and follow along at a comfortable pace. Start by opening your appointment request form inside the Jotform form builder. You'll know you're in the right place if you can see your form canvas in the center and a tools area on the left. Take a moment to confirm you're looking at the correct form you want to update. This is helpful because any changes you make here will apply to the live version once you publish updates. If your form uses an appointment field, you're already set up to capture date and time. We're just enhancing it by enabling payments. Next, look to the left side of the builder and click Add Elements. This opens the panel where you can add fields and features to your form. If the panel is already open, you're good to go. Think of this area as your toolbox. It includes basics like name and email fields, as well as more advanced blocks. The goal here is simplicity. Appointment forms work best when they're short, so keep only what you need. Within that Elements panel, switch to the Payments section and select a payment method that fits your needs. You'll see popular options like credit card processors and digital wallets. Choose the provider you already use or prefer for transaction fees, supported countries, and payout timing. If you operate internationally, confirm currency support. If you run memberships or recurring services, look for gateways that handle subscriptions. When you select a gateway, Jotform will open a setup panel where you can review the integration details, choose currency, and see the settings you'll complete next. Selecting the provider here places a payment block onto your form so you can manage products, donation amounts, or a single booking fee later on. A few tips as you decide. Align the payment label with your appointment flow, like book your appointment or pay deposit to confirm, so visitors understand what they're paying for. Keep your confirmation message clear and your form's required fields minimal to reduce drop-off. If you're testing changes, remember to use a test mode in your chosen provider before going live. That's it. Open the appointment request form in the builder, click Add Elements, then head to Payments and select your payment method. You've taken the key steps to start accepting payments directly in your Jotform appointment flow.